Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today we're looking at something that's not just for your typical home theater setup. This one's designed for professionals, big environments, or anyone who's dead serious about projection performance. I'm talking about the Draper Paragon V234 electric projection screen. Massive. Precision engineered. This is the kind of gear that quietly elevates your entire viewing experience, without screaming for attention. So let's dive into it. Starting off with the basics, this is a 124-inch high by 198-inch wide projection screen. That's right, not diagonal, actual width and height. That gives you a whopping 16:10 aspect ratio, which is ideal for professional presentations, widescreen content, and even high-end home theaters where pixel real estate actually matters. Now let's talk about the material, CineFlex CH1200V. This isn't your average vinyl screen material. This surface is designed with a high degree of versatility. We're talking flexible front projection, optimized for environments where light control might be just okay, not perfect. The CineFlex CH1200V provides a gain of 1.2, which gives you that slightly boosted brightness without distorting colors or throwing off uniformity across the screen. And it's viewable from wide angles, which makes it awesome for conference rooms, classrooms, or multi-row home theater setups. The Paragon V line is Draper's answer to the "how big can we go while keeping it elegant" question. And it's motorized, obviously. But not just any motor. The screen drops down with smooth, quiet precision. You'll feel it the first time you hit the button. This isn't some clunky roller mechanism that rattles on the way down. It's built for silence. Built for performance. The housing is something I need to talk about, because it's easy to overlook, but this enclosure is built different. It's aluminum, clean white, low profile, and fully integrated. Draper calls it the Paragon case, and it's not just aesthetics. It's structurally engineered to hang or mount cleanly in ceiling recesses or on a wall, while still giving you access for maintenance or upgrades later on. Plus, with ceiling recessed or wall-mounted options, the screen fits into your environment without dominating it when retracted. Control-wise, it plays well with most automation systems. Whether you're running a full Crestron setup, or just want a wall switch or RF remote, Draper makes sure integration is seamless. And for those of you building out a professional space, yes, this screen can be tied into AV systems or facility-wide control protocols. Installation is, let's say, professional. This isn't a screen you just pull out of a box and slap on the wall. You'll want a certified installer or someone who knows what they're doing, because once it's up, it's meant to stay there. And once it's in, it becomes a permanent part of your display environment in the best way possible. Let's break it down for performance users. If you're running high-lumen projectors, like those 5,000 to 10,000 lumen beasts used in large rooms, this screen is going to give you the image fidelity and contrast retention that cheaper screens just can't deliver. Combine that with the large, wide aspect ratio and high-gain surface, and your projected content feels bigger, brighter, and bolder. And the best part? It's made in the USA. So you're getting local craftsmanship, durability, and support that's actually accessible. Draper is a name that's been in the game for decades, and the Paragon V series shows why. So, who is this for? This is for the cinema-grade perfectionist, the conference room commander, the installation artist who doesn't compromise. It's not flashy, but it doesn't need to be. It's about delivering performance when it counts, clear visuals, accurate color, ultra-smooth operation, in a form that disappears when not in use. Final thoughts? The Draper Paragon V234 isn't your entry-level screen. But if you're building a serious setup where quality, durability, and precision matter, this is a worthy centerpiece. If you're interested in checking it out or buying one for yourself, please visit the link provided in the description. Catch you in the next one.